Hey freelancer! Welcome to the Full-Thrive YouTube channel. We believe that working full-thrive means that you get to find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule. Discovery calls are really an important aspect of your sales funnel, and getting to do the work before you do the work is so important. When you get on a discovery call, you have a great conversation and the time is ticking and it's time to end the call. How do you close out a discovery call and set yourself up to send a proposal? I got you covered. I'm going to share with you my tips and the tricks that I share with my students in my free masterclass about how to effectively close a discovery call and move to the next step. So I'm going to talk you through how to close a discovery call. I told you should do it in 3 minutes. This is how I close out my discovery calls. I walk them through the next steps. I want you to know that if you've done a great job, they love you, they need you, they like you, they're ready to get going. In their head, they're going, okay, what's next? Like, what's next? How do we work together? Okay? So what you want to do is you say, after this call, I say this almost verbatim, guys, to everybody. After this call, I'm going to review my notes. I'll put together a detailed proposal for your review, and I'll send it over, and you can follow up with any feedback or questions. So I tell them, this is what's going to happen next. And literally you can see relief. They're like, okay? Then I almost finished the call with this. I have 2 things that way I finish the call. This is one of the parting messages I send them. I said, and my team and I are ready to get started, and we can get you started right away. People love to know that they can get started right away. They are excited, guys. They're like ramped up because of all the things you told them that you can do. They want to get going. Confirm that and validate that and say, I just want you to know, our team can get ready and we can get you started right away. Oh, I'm telling you, they just literally light up. It's like another shot of drugs in the vein. And this is how I personally end all my calls. I end almost every call in my life this way. This is just something that is in me as a coach and as maybe an Enneagram 3. I am a cheerleader for everybody, whether it's my team or it's a client or my kids. I always end on a high note, telling them I'm excited for them, that they've made a really big leap, that it's really hard starting your own business or building a website or getting a new logo or whatever it might be. Say, and I know it took a lot for you to get to this point. Man, people really feel heard and understood. And you're like, I know this is a big investment in time and in money, but I'm really excited for you. Whoever you work with, I'm excited that you're taking this step. Okay? People love ending on a high note. Don't you? I'm telling you, they are going to go, I want more of that. Even if you don't have a big portfolio, even if you're not the best writer in the world, if you can deliver some of yourself to them, they will want that. I hope that encourages you guys that are new, that don't feel like you can offer the same as somebody else. You get to offer you. And this is one way you can do it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found that valuable. Hey, if you're looking for more on how to be a full-thrive freelancer, find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule, check out our other videos and subscribe below so that you are always notified when the next video drops. Did you know we have a Facebook group called the Full-Thrive Freelancers? If you want to connect with us there, the link is down below. Click that. We'll get you over to the Facebook group. You're going to get to see free masterclasses, live Q&A, and a great community of other freelancers working to thrive.